How to change profile hero in Honor of Kings. Hi there everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Are you playing Honor of Kings and wondering how to change your profile hero so others can see your favorite character? Then you are in the right place. Let's get started and learn how. First of all, launch open your Honor of Kings game on your device and make sure you are logged in. From the main lobby screen of Honor of Kings, go to the top left corner and tap on your current avatar. Once you get to your profile section, go ahead and tap on this little button at the bottom right corner, which will open up Heroes tab. Now select a different hero you'd like to set in your profile from the menu, and then you'll be able to see the hero displayed on the right corner. An animation will show up. Click on the Save button at the bottom right to confirm the hero, and there you have it. That's how you successfully change your profile hero in Honor of Kings. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.